Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you step-by-step process on how to turn off real-time protection in your Windows PC via the Windows Security app and Registry Editor. The easiest way is to use the Windows Security app. To do this, first open the Start menu. Then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Now click Update and Security. At left pane, click Windows Security. In Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection on the right side. Then under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Under Real-Time Protection, toggle the switch for Turn on Real-Time Protection to Off. This will disable real-time protection. You can also disable real-time protection settings using the Registry Editor. To do this, press Windows plus R to open the Run box. Type regedit and hit Enter. Navigate to HKEY_local_machine, click Software folder, click Policies folder. Now click Microsoft folder and then click on Windows Defender. Right-click on Windows Defender and then select New and click Key. Name the key Real-Time Protection. Click on it and then select New, then click on D-Word. Name it Disable Real-Time Monitoring, and then set the value to 1 to disable real-time protection. And that's it. Those are a few different ways to turn off real-time protection in Windows. Thanks for watching.